Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unhide all rows or columns in Excel. So actually it is very easy. First of all, you go to Excel, and as you can see I have some of the columns hidden. As you can see, B is hidden, D is hidden, and here in the rows I have 6 hidden and 10 hidden. So basically, to unhide all the rows or columns at once, all you have to do is to simply click on this button in the top left corner to select everything. And here I need to select this little border between just two letters here, and right click. So here I will have to just simply click on unhide, and I will unhide all the columns. And here, if I'll just select the same border right here, I will unhide, just clicking by unhide, I will unhide all the rows. And basically that is how you can unhide some uh, every single order and every single row or column at once. But if you want to unhide just particular order or column, you just need to simply click on this little border and double tap right here. And as you can see, I unhide only B, and if I want to unhide D, I need to double click here and double click here to unhide 6, and double click here to unhide 10. And basically that is it. That is how you can unhide rows and columns or columns in Excel. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.